My name is Sorabi and this is my dream project, personal health monitoring system.
Hello. My name is Bahman. Together with Sorabi and using .NET micro framework, we designed the system to get personal health information for monitoring health system.
This diagram shows the whole idea of personal health monitoring system in very simple form. There are some devices which will be carried by people. The device will collect health information and send them through internet to the server for recording and processing purposes. On the other side, there are some monitoring stations which monitor customer health. There are lots of features in this system, including keep track of senior people health, remote monitor people health with special disease, monitor athletics to get better performance. If we consider person as an actor, we can find out three main use cases in our system. First, recording vital health parameters. Second, calling 911 in case of emergency. Third, sending information about the person location to monitoring station. Now, if we consider device as an actor, there will be two main use cases. First, getting customer profile for initialization and start. Second, sending customer health information for recording to server. The communication model in our system will be like this: SOAP on HTTP TCP/IP over GPRS GSM. Since our device does not have GSM unit, we have to replace GPRS GSM layer with Ethernet in our prototype. There are four packages or modules in our system. First, SOAP module. Second, recorder module, scheduler module, and external module, which is .NET Macro Framework library. SOAP module has two classes: SOAP client, which will be connected to the web services for sending and receiving SOAP messages, and SOAP MSG, which is an envelope for SOAP messages to send and receive data. In the recorder module, there is a recorder class which has been generalized from ECG recorder to record electrocardiogram, GPS recorder to record customer location information, temp recorder to record customer body temperature, and R911 recorder to send 911 requests in case of emergency. As you can see, we can easily expand our system with instantiate from our recorder to record other parameters. In a scheduler module, there is just one class, scheduler, to run and schedule recorders. Finally, the external module, or .NET Macro Framework, which we use to create our system. We use IP endpoint, socket, stream reader, stream writer, and URI to develop SOAP module, array list to create our recorders, time and time span to create a scheduler, and the other classes to control I/O on our device, which they made our development so easy and fast.
We made a hardware connected to the TAUI2 to get ECG signals from body and send it to the TAUI2 to be changed from analog to digital and sent to our server. It shows the basic activity, getting signals and send it to the server. By using an instrumentation amplifier, we made a stabilization network and passed the signal to the next block. In this block, we used high-pass and band-pass filters to get the right frequencies and amplify the signal. Then we connect output signal to TAUE2. With analog to digital converter in the TAUE2, we change analog signal to digital and then send the result to the server. The server can draw ECG signal and calculate heart beat rate from this ECG signal and show them. We have a server application and a web service. In server application, the ECG graph class can draw ECG signal. We calculate heart beat rate from ECG data and insert it in the database. Then pulse graph class get the heartbeat data and draw a graph on the monitoring screen. The temperature data, which has been sent by TAUE device, can be retrieved by temperature graph class and shown on the screen by a graph. Any 911 call request which recorded in the database by TAUE device will be get by call 911 class to alert on the screen. Web service has some implemented methods which TAUE device can use to set temperature, set GPS latitude and longitude, set ECG data, set 911 call, and get profile for the device. Here you can see our ECG device which connected to the VBAT connection of device to get analog signal and change it to digital and send to the server. Here is our ECG device.
This is our monitoring station and interface, which shows the 911 caller on the brown box top of left, and ECG diagram, also the location of the person and the temperature and the heartbeat of the
Personal health monitoring system will help people and watch their health status to improve their life. We can have clients in different areas: seniors, people with special disease, athletics, and so on. Across North America, health services has been an explosion of growth over the last 3 years. South of Canada is an area with high population density. Our estimation has shown that most of the seniors need a system to monitor their health situation.
At the end, we have these positive summaries. Object-oriented design and implementation is so easy with this platform. Development with .NET Macro Framework in Microsoft Visual Studio is so easy. Working with high-level language like C# make development almost bug-free. Easy debugging with reliable emulator is so good, and fast deployment on hardware prototype and see result in a real environment. We had these negative conclusion. Connection between device and IDE was so unreliable, and we had a lot of disconnection between the device and environment. We had to update the image on the device several times, and also it was so too difficult to schedule executing of the sampling routine with timer and trading package on the system. At the end, thanks for giving us this opportunity to be in this contest.